In high-intensity industrial operations, a seat isn't just where you sit, it's where productivity begins. Introducing the Toyota Forklift Seat by Jain'm Seats. Built specifically for Toyota forklifts, this seat is engineered to deliver long-lasting support and ergonomic precision, even through non-stop shifts. It features premium cushioning and an extra-wide backrest and bottom, providing superior seating comfort and spinal support during heavy-duty operations. Upholstered in high-quality rexine, the seat resists wear, oil, and dust, making it easy to maintain in tough warehouse or yard environments. A manual weight adjustment knob helps tailor the seat to the operator's weight, offering better balance, stability, and personalized comfort. The backrest reclining feature allows the operator to adjust their seating angle to reduce lower back fatigue during extended use. Equipped with a heavy shock absorber, this seat is designed to handle constant vibration, uneven flooring, and bumps without transferring stress to the operator. With fore and aft sliding adjustment, drivers can shift the seat forward or backward with ease, helping them find the most comfortable position for controls and visibility. For added functionality, the seat includes a built-in document box. Every detail of this seat is designed to improve efficiency, reduce fatigue, and ensure that operators can focus on the job without distraction. The Toyota Forklift Seat, engineered for movement, comfort, and long-haul reliability. Jain'm Seats, trusted across industries, built for those who move the world. Subscribe to our channel for more product insights, and visit jainmagro.in to explore our complete range of industrial seating solutions.